going on YouTube? It's your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Man, I tell y'all, it feels so good to be back at the crib. You know what I'm saying? To do my videos in the sneaker dungeon on my favorite spot to do it, on this couch. You know what I'm saying? I love going out doing vlogs and doing all that good stuff, but there's nothing like your own crib. So if y'all just now tuned into the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy, and join your boy the Retro Wiz Kid in the sneaker dungeon family. We on the chase to 1,500 subscribers. Go ahead and give your boy a like, you know what I'm saying? Hit that thumbs up button and drop a comment below and let me know what y'all thought about the pickups. Let's get straight to it. So y'all, we got this pack from X Gear 101. Y'all already know, Baws. I'm gonna leave the link, is always in the description below. Y'all go shop X Gear 101. You know what I'm saying? Shop for your Baws clothing. As y'all see, I got my Baws clothing on. Save 15% with Wiz Kid. So I got some shirts, man, and I got some more stuff on the way. It just ain't got here yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got to go with 2 pair of kicks, man. And I thought I was gonna get these before I left, but they came in actually today. So what a great way to give y'all this live action. So up first, man, we got these 97 South Beaches. Now y'all, I had to pick up the freshest tee that I could find for these bad boys, and there was no place like home than going with Baws X Gear 101 and picking up the Baws shirt with, yeah, y'all see it, man. Picked up the Baws tee to go with it. It just goes perfectly with it, y'all. Just mwah, fuego. You know what I'm saying? So I had to pick this bad boy up, man. And I just think that this thing is fresh. I actually got some, like I said, I got some more gear coming in from Baws, but this right here was the first thing that came in. It actually took a little minute to get here, but got these to go with these nice Air Max 97s. So I'm gonna be busting these things out for y'all and giving y'all them with that. I've been waiting to bust them out with that specific shirt, to be honest. Up next, y'all, this is actually a roughneck shirt, but still coming from X Gear 101. Y'all already know what time it is. I had to find me something pretty fuego to go with these bad boy Michigan 12 things, y'all. So I haven't busted these out yet, but I had, like I said, sometimes you gotta have that perfect fit to go with something, and that's what I had to do, man. I had to have the perfect tee to go with these. So y'all already know, original roughneck shirt, y'all. This thing is fuego, and it says wisdom, y'all. That thing is fire, man. And I'm gonna turn the camera around, of course, give y'all a close-up of the kicks with the shirts and spin some pictures. But it says wisdom above riches, school of hard knocks, and it's got that Michigan, you know what I'm saying, that Michigan M, but it's upside down to make that wisdom. That thing goes perfection with this thing, man. I'm so glad I was able to pick this up. I'm gonna flip the camera real quick for y'all, give y'all a nice little skim over the shirt with the shoes so y'all can see what it's looking like. It is. So I hope y'all like the pickups from X Gear 101 to match the kicks. If y'all want to go ahead and head over there and save 15% at your checkout using the code WizKid, X Gear 101, link in the description. Show some love to the family. Y'all already know what time it is. If y'all just now tuned in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Got more videos coming for y'all. Just trying to catch up while I took a break, went to the States, back in Germany, back uploading the videos, giving y'all that content daily. You know what I'm saying? I still got some end challenges that are gonna be going up. I got sneakers that I ain't put away to show y'all what shoes I had on my rotation while I was in the States visiting my family. Y'all go ahead over to Instagram, follow your boy on Instagram, posting them pictures daily. They back at it, so y'all already know I'm posting them pictures back daily for y'all. I know while I was in the States, man, like I said, when you get around family you ain't seen 3 years, a year, you know what I'm saying, time span, you know, it'd be hard, y'all. And then uploading videos, I'm used to uploading videos at nighttime here, which is 6 hours ahead of y'all. So depending where you're at, some places 7, some places even more. So y'all stay tuned, man. Appreciate all the love and support. We on that chase to 1,500 subscribers, and y'all already know what time it is, man. I'ma give y'all some of them pictures with these kicks and these shirts. Yeah, dig. I'll see y'all in the next video.